What's good, everybody? It's your boy, Wiki. No, I'm just kidding. But today, I'll do the water splash challenge and the Reds. But, yeah. Y'all, you know, this is my crib, my house, my pad, I don't know. But anyway, yeah. You guys probably already seen the challenge. Maybe yes or not. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to do it for y'all. I don't know. I seen it on YouTube. And, I was like, why are they acting stupid? And I know why I act stupid. Because entertainment, you know what I mean? Ooh. And, yeah. Let's get it! Yeah, hold on. Wait. Here. The water. Family. Oh. Fries. The family food store. Bah, bah, bah. Anyway, yeah, check it. Let's get it. I don't know how to do this, but, yeah. Oh, yeah, anyway. Yeah. Before I get to it, make sure if y'all new around here, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and please turn on that post notifications. And yeah, oh yeah, you want to hit me up? Make sure you comment down below. And yeah. Watch out, bro. I just went in my I just went in my nose, bro. Hold on. Oh gosh. Ooh. Oh gosh. Oh, God bless. That was an earthquake.
No.
Okay.
You
You guys want to check it out again? I want to try it with the Sprite. You think I should do it with the Sprite?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's mix it up and do it with the Sprite this time. Oh, anyway, yeah. See, you seen how I did it before? That hurt out of my nose, bro. Oh gosh. But sorry, mom. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna mix it up with the water challenge and just hit it up with the Sprite. The same thing I did with the water, but let's do it with the Sprite. Shh, gotta be quiet.
Can you get trouble for putting someone?
You can get in trouble for open soda. Hashtag diabetes status. Ooh. No, just kidding. Let's get it. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on.
Earthquake.
Hit me up, let's with water. Hit me up with the Sprite, bro.
Yeah.
Hurry up, bet. Oh, my eyes! It's in my freaking eyes, bro. Oh. Alright, back up. Hurry the hell up, get on my waist and get up. Hey. Let's get this. That's what you guys want to see the straight arm challenge or lay down? Straight arm challenge.
The kids are like,
I bet y'all gonna say, ew, grodies. Get up. Move so I can get up now. Hashtag PE status. Hashtag.
your legs are ashy. Yeah, I'm coming.
Dude, don't end it now.
Okay. Shut up when I'm coming.
Anyway, that was a little stupid challenge for y'all. And anyway,
Shut up.
Yeah, it's again, my name's Wiki Wake, and I did the water bottle challenge, or what is it called? Water splash challenge, something whatever. Anyway, yeah, I did that for y'all, and also with the Sprite. It's pretty stupid. Stop. And if y'all haven't seen my straight arm challenge and my last videos, make sure y'all go check it out. And I'm Wiki Wake. I'll check you later. Deuces.